Are you a bird enthusiast looking to elevate your backyard bird watching experience? If so, a bird feeder camera might be just what you need. These innovative devices allow you to closely observe and capture stunning footage of your feathered friends as they visit your feeder. Whether you're a seasoned birder or a curious novice, bird feeder cameras offer a unique perspective on nature, unveiling the behaviors and interactions of various species right from the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best bird feeder cameras on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to enhance your avian adventures. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the BirdDock Smart Bird Feeder Camera. Imagine enhancing your bird watching experience without breaking the bank. The BirdDock Smart Bird Feeder is not only budget-friendly, but also comes with an integrated camera that captures stunning 1080 pixel video resolution. When you're busy or away, simply check your app for notifications alerting you to bird activity and view live feeds from almost anywhere. With an impressive 165-degree field of view and a built-in microphone, you won't miss a moment of nature's beauty. Even the sounds of your feathered visitors are recorded. If you want to keep cherished memories, you can easily store still photos and videos directly on the feeder by adding an optional memory card. Designed with both birds and technology in mind, the BirdDock's round arch shape protects the camera and your avian friends from harsh weather conditions such as wind and rain. Plus, it features drainage holes to prevent water accumulation, ensuring that your birdseed remains fresh and free from rot. The feeder holds up to 0.76 quarts of birdseed, providing plenty of nourishment for your feathered friends. What's more, the BirdDock Smart Feeder app allows up to 3 smartphones to view the live video simultaneously. No subscription fees required. This means you can share the joy of birdwatching with family and friends. With the BirdDock Smart Bird Feeder, you're not just feeding birds, you're connecting with nature in a whole new way. At number 4, SOLIOM BF08 Metal Solar Bird Feeder Camera. The SOLIOM BF08 Metal Bird Feeder Camera is your ultimate ally in birdwatching. Designed with a durable metal exterior that fights off rust and corrosion, this bird feeder can brave the elements. No need to worry about rain. Its 2.7-liter seed capacity ensures you won't be making frequent refills. Plus, the strategically placed drainage holes under the seed tray prevent water buildup, keeping your bird food fresh and appealing. What truly sets this feeder apart is the high-definition camera equipped with AI recognition software, allowing you to identify various bird species right from your smartphone. Imagine watching the feathered friends that visit your yard and learning about them in real time. This innovative feature enhances your birdwatching experience by connecting you to the vibrant wildlife surrounding you. But that's not all. The SOLIOM BF08 also includes built-in lights and a speaker that activate if squirrels or chipmunks attempt to steal the seed. When intruders approach the feeder, the flashing lights and alarm will startle them away, ensuring that your birds feel safe and secure while dining. While there is a monthly subscription needed to unlock all the premium features in the app and camera, the investment is well worth it for dedicated bird enthusiasts. By choosing the SOLIOM BF08, you're not merely providing a feeding station, you're creating a personalized birdwatching experience that brings nature closer to your everyday life. Enjoy the moments as they unfold. Number 3, we have the Bird Buddy Original Smart Bird Feeder Camera. Elevate your backyard birdwatching experience with the Bird Buddy Original Smart Bird Feeder Camera. This innovative feeder transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary adventures, allowing you to connect with nature like never before. With stunning HD photo and video quality, you can capture vibrant 2K videos and detailed 5-megapixel images of the birds visiting your feeder. The automatic photo capture feature makes it easy for you to enjoy the beauty of wildlife without any effort. What sets this smart feeder apart is its AI-powered birdwatching app, designed to help you identify numerous bird species easily. Every time a new feathered friend arrives, you'll receive real-time notifications, keeping you engaged and informed. You'll find learning about local birds an enjoyable experience, enhancing your knowledge and appreciation for nature. Your privacy is also a top priority with the Bird Buddy. It only captures images of the birds, ensuring your personal space remains protected. All processing is done within the device, so you can feel confident that your data stays secure. While the app may occasionally require updates for optimal performance, the slight weight is minimal compared to the joy this feeder brings. BirdBuddy has set a high standard for smart bird feeders, seamlessly blending technology with nature. Discover how this remarkable feeder can enrich your backyard and transform your birdwatching adventures. At number 2, Wasserstein Bird Feeder Camera. If you're considering investing in a bird feeder, you might find the price range quite varied. While premium feeders can be costly, often exceeding your budget. However, if you're eager to observe the feathered visitors to your backyard, the Wasserstein feeder offers a unique feature: compatibility with your own security camera. This option allows you to create a personalized bird-watching experience. Before you commit to a camera, it's worth checking the list of compatible devices. If you're looking for a budget-friendly choice, Wyze cameras are particularly affordable and could be a great starting point for you. Keep in mind that some cameras may require adjustments to focus settings. Make sure to tinker with these controls to capture crisp images, ensuring your birdwatching experience is enjoyable and rewarding. While the Wasserstein feeder may not have the same premium feel as our top recommendations, it's a great option for beginners or those wanting to dip their toes into the world of birdwatching. The lightweight plastic design might not be as durable, but it still serves as a functional feeder to start your journey. Ultimately, investing in a good feeder can enhance your backyard experience, bringing you closer to nature and providing countless opportunities for relaxation and enjoyment. Whether you choose a budget-friendly option or one of our recommended picks, watching the beauty of birds can become a delightful part of your daily life. And finally, the number 1 of our list, NETVUE Smart Bird Feeder Camera. If you're looking to enhance your birdwatching experience, BirdDock from NETVUE offers 2 exceptional feeders that stand out. The first option is a stunning bamboo feeder that beautifully blends into the natural environment around your home. While it requires a bit of maintenance, its aesthetic appeal is undeniable. This feeder is designed with an extendable perch, allowing multiple birds to gather and explore together. It includes 2 spacious bins, ideal for offering different seed types or the same blend, ensuring a vibrant variety of visitors. Just keep in mind that the seeds from these bins mix in the tray at the bottom, which might affect seed selection. If you prefer greater organization, consider the feather snap feeder we've included as well. Its separate bins and trays allow you to keep varieties distinct, providing a more tailored experience for your feathered friends. Both feeders can be easily mounted on a pole or tree, or hung from a hook, giving you flexibility in placement. Additionally, each feeder comes with a solar panel option to power your camera, eliminating the hassle of battery charging and allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted birdwatching. By choosing the right feeder, you not only attract your favorite birds but also create a beautiful outdoor space that connects you to nature. So whether you opt for the bamboo beauty or the feather snaps practicality, you're sure to foster joyful moments observing delightful avian visitors. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which bird feeder camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.